And I really wanted to do a before video because my buddy Mark Walker's coming over, and we're gonna with an excavator and a skid steer, and we're gonna take away all. I gotta get all this away from the building, and pick up all this concrete around and grade all along here. We're gonna put a sill there, so we got to get this graded and all this concrete away so we can get them in there. And there's little stumps everywhere. We got an old oil tank right here we got to get out. Stumps. All this is going to be precarious because it's close to the building and we don't want to, you know, jar it at all. These huge stumps that grew up next to the old lean-to, we got to do all that. And I got to get rid of all this wood. It's almost 8 o'clock. He's coming at 8. And we got to get all this concrete away from the building because we got to put sills underneath this side of the barn and this side of the barn. And I'm really nervous about it. It's because it'd break my heart if we jarred the building or we damage any of the beams or the posts, or it's going to be precarious. I'm definitely nervous. We got to grade so far about 6-7 inches away from this sill down, and we got to grade it all the way around. All kind of goes like this, so it kind of just all the water slopes away, and then we got to get down about 8 inches because there's a lot of over the years just filled in over the years. It's very important for the foundation to have no water up against it. I got to get rid of all this wood. He's coming real soon, so I better quit videotaping and get on it. Mark shows up every day to excavate the barn, and pretty remarkable how this one just broke away pretty good with this little skid steer he's got it going. Here he goes, trying it again. Don't hit my thing too much, Jesus. He's gonna lift it up and try to crack it in half by dropping it. Watch this. I better step away. Better not step in that hole too, or a nail to go through my brand new boots. All right, he's gonna drop it. Jeez. Ba-boom. A little worried about when he moves these stumps that it might jiggle some of those posts. I had to see movement in those posts. I'm gonna scream. Back if it's going up. Precarious. Son of a bitch. I don't think that's what's holding. I think it's those that are holding it. Come on, don't do anything to this porch. Oh yeah, he's getting it. This is great. Lickety split, look at that. Nothing to it except for to do it. Woohoo! Break it. Glad I had my glasses on. Some of it just went ricocheted off my spectacles. He's not too concerned, but I am. Oh, this one's coming out lickety split. Easy peasy, smooth as butter. Don't hit that building too much. Bring it back. There we go. There we go. Another one I'm worried about. Pretty close to the barn. It's got a good reveal away from the barn though. You never know though. Pull it, grab it, pull it. Oh boy, lucky. Phew, a little relieved. 7,000 pounds of concrete's going on that dump truck he's taking. I don't like this. Yeah, we're looking for failure. Some days it feels like all I do is move piles of wood. I don't know, they just keep coming and coming and coming, and I keep moving them. They get bigger, moved around, piles of wood just everywhere, and it just doesn't stop. We're on to the front of the place now. Coming clean, just like we thought. Here, we have nothing holding that post up. Hardly anything. They're here, just all tied together with the clapboards and the sheathing and the up top, and it's all somehow just hanging on. This is a big one. Smile! You're concentrating. Bringing a pipe out with it. Yep, and it did. Perfect. Right now, there's the barn door area, so you know where we are. We took this slab of concrete out, and so I'll show you. I'm digging down. It looks like they poured concrete on top of the sill. Here. Right here, this sill here, and this sill that goes all the way down there, mortise and tendon together right here. You can see part of the mortise and tendon there. And then this post that goes all the way up and supports this whole barn on this corner rested on top of that. So there we are. So I just dug down to the original beam. You can see the foundation stones over there. I just got to broom sweep this, but they're all right here. Nice flat stones. This one sat on all the way down. So that's what I'm gonna have to work on. That stone right here is underneath this beam or sill. And I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna do it. Well, I'm sitting here pondering, and towards the end of the day, I'm gonna have to get a level and shoot it all the way down there. And that looks like it's a lot higher than that sill there. So either there was a lot of backfill, or the concrete floor they put in there, they built it up. Oh boy, this is one of those moments when you say, thought I was going full steam, and now it's decision time on what to do to the front of this. Do we grade all this off? I mean, like 2 feet. That post is way down. Wow, this is gonna be tough to decide what to do. So that tree was right here underneath. That was yeah, it was right up against, it was up against the, you smell Bax elder? Let me smell it. I don't smell it. That's what we did today. Alright, I think we're done for the day. And that'll give us a lot of space to get sills underneath where we need to. Herbie, it's the end of the day. I can't even bend over to do this. I'm so sore. I didn't have them cuffed up for the whole day. I forgot to do it till the end. I can't believe there's not more. Yeah, there's some. $7 o'clock, 7:30 to 7, or whatever time it is right now.